OnePlus 6 and let me show you how to take screenshot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you want to capture. In my case, it could be simply the list of settings. Let's assume that I want to save the following screen, so all I need to do is use this combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys, and as you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. So let me show you again. Let's use together power key and volume down simultaneously, and you just capture the screen. Here you can also use this icon to accomplish scroll screenshot. Let me show you again. Let's press power key and volume down and that icon to accomplish the scroll screenshot. Alright, here we've got scroll screenshot. As you can see, the whole list of settings is saved on that picture. Let me go back, and here you can also use the second way of taking screenshots. Just press power key for a couple of seconds and choose here screenshot. Let me show you again. Press power key for a couple of seconds and tap screenshot. That's it. And there is also the third way of taking screenshot. Let's just here use settings, choose buttons and gestures, choose quick gestures, and let's enable 3-finger screenshot. Now you can take screenshot by swiping down with 3 fingers. Let me show you again. Let's swipe down with 3 fingers and you just capture the screen. Now if you would like to share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with your pictures, let's use upper bar twice and here let's tap screenshot captured. You can also accomplish that by using the list of apps, choose settings, and here you need to find and select the you need to find here and select the gallery from the list of apps, choose collections, tap screenshot, and now you can share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with the following pictures. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.